After you install this plugin, you will see like align pivot and center auto grade. Okay, right click and then after extract, then after open this file, then after open this file. If you are in a Windows, then copy this. If you are in a Mac, copy this. If you are in a Linux, then copy this. Okay, I am in a Windows, then I will copy this Windows R and paste it here. Then automatically open this file. Again we should to go in a previous file, then after copy this file and paste it here. Okay, then after open DaVinci, then script, then after you will see like to plugin. This is a gift for you guys. If you purchase this plugin, automatically you will see center autocade. Right now this plugin is blur, but I will show you how we can use this. If you have like this, then after we can move like this, automatically moving. If you have two, then this also work automatically. Okay, and this is of align and pivot. Press this, then after you will see like this. See here, and here is a canvas. By default this is on, and if I turn off this, then after you will see like this, not going out of canvas. See here, see here. If you have like text, like I write like Alok, then after I move to top, see here, not going out of canvas. If I increase font, then see here, automatically aligning. Yeah, if I want to move pivot to top, then we should to, I will reset it, then after I should to move like this, automatically moving this pivot. See here, and if I turn off, then automatically switch to DoD system. Okay, see here, automatically moving. This plugin supports also auto keyframe align. Okay, when I move to like 45 and I move to top and I want to move like 70, and then after I want to move to right, see here, automatically keyframed. Then after you can smooth it from here, okay, like this. See here.